Okay, so I am still working on my sofa. Well, this is my love seat. I haven't started on sofa yet. This right here is the original fabric and pattern that was on the love seat. I tried to dye it, but the dye didn't take in this fabric, so I decided to upholster it. I'm using regular velvet fabric, but you normally should use upholstery fabric, but it's just me in the house, so I didn't mind that. So I've already done this cushion. Now I'm about to do that cushion. Don't mind the mess. Yeah, so let me go ahead and show you how I'm reupholstering my own sofa. All right, so what I'm gonna do is thread the needle. Now, just because I'm using regular fabric doesn't mean I'm not gonna use upholstery thread. I am using upholstery thread. And I'm just looking for the end of the needle. And I'm gonna thread it, and I'm using the circular needle because it's easier to work with. And this is the upholstery thread that I'm using. I got it off Amazon. And you normally want to measure out how much you're going to use. But with this one, I'm not going to do too much. I can go in and add more thread to it because this will get tangled if you put too much thread on the needle. So I do about at least enough to do halfway. So I'm gonna cut the end off, and I'm gonna start. So what I'm doing so that you don't see the thread is doing a blind stitch. I'll do another video to show how I do it, but I'm just going in. I'm putting the needle under the fabric so you can't see the knot. I'm gonna pull it through. And I'm gonna tuck that back in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start my stitching. And what I'm using is what they call a ladder stitch to make the stitches invisible, so that way you don't see them. And I like to actually put it up on my lap so I can see it a little bit better because y'all know I'm blind. And I'm just gonna do this until I finish the cushion. So I'll be back when I'm done. All right, y'all, I finished the cushions. Both of them are done now. I need y'all help. Should I use the same fabric to do the cushions, or should I get a purple and gold fabric to do the cushions? Let me know in the comments what y'all think. But all of this has been done by hand. The sides and everything I did by hand.